Nowadays, more and more manufacturers are considering mass production through 3D printing. However, we also realize that traditional 3D printing equipment cannot guarantee stable and continuous mass printing. Infinity is a 3D belt printer that combines unique design, continuous printing, and stability. It is a product that leads the future. It supports 45-degree and 90-degree printing methods. Just quick change Infinity3D to preferred mode. You will immediately get a unique creative space to realize different ideas. The base of Infinity is a rolling conveyor belt. The conveyor belt gradually rolls during the printing process, which can realize the continuous printing of batch models, as well as the printing of an infinite length model. To provide users with efficient and convenient printing based on the Cura high-speed slicing engine, we optimized the slicing function. Added a continuous printing typesetting plugin. As a result, interface operation is simple and easy to use. Therefore, even a beginner can operate proficiently. Infinity equipped with filament interruption detection and print resume function. The photoelectric induction will timely remind if the filament runs out or breaks midway. In case of power failure, Infinity will continue to finish printing after a power supply is restored. The high-strength fiber-woven conveyor belt allows the model to stick firmly and will automatically peel off when the model is transferred to the end. Infinity combines industrial linear guide rail and TMC 2209 motor driver. As a result, Infinity provides higher printing accuracy, longer service life, smoother movement, and lower working noise. With a 3.5-inch color touchscreen, you can check the printing status, function display, parameters setting at a glance. Furthermore, Infinity3D compatible with U-Disk and SD card offline printing, so everyone can quickly get started. Infinity was designed to print extra-large projects that fit the size of big dreams. Users can print whatever they desire on a groundbreaking large scale. We believe Infinity3D is the good challenge that makes life worth living. We were hoping you could back us to lead the future with Infinity3D